The filming?
No.
The filming?
I don't think that we want to do that. The people will start saying,
Okay, you take the shrimp by the tail, take it off the skewer, put it underneath your tongue. You squeeze on top of your tongue, you squeeze the bottom, comes right out, and you got a nice shell left. And it is delicious. Say, Lyle, your turn. Your turn. Show how it's done.
In detail. What are you going to do?
I don't know if they do. I don't know.
He's just playing with it with his tongue.
You got that skewer there? Got a nice picture of my shrimp? Okay. Hi, Amanda.
Or yeah.
See down there, they won't
Pull it off that skewer,
no school gets more than
put it on top of that tongue,
one school gets better.
squeeze the back of it, and just suck it right out of that shell, and it's awesome. You do a couple lickings, and then you grab another one. Pull it off that stick. Who's all watching? It's finger licking good. It's finger licking good. Then you gotta take a drink of water once in a while. Then you